Hello, welcome once again to the Sell Your Knowledge Masterclass. So, once again, the goal is to stop dreaming and start doing. Okay, that's my goal for you in this course, and then to convert your knowledge into consistent cash flow on demand. So, this is module 4, and in this module 4, we are going to look at how to leverage the wait list strategy to sell before launching. How to leverage the wait list strategy to sell before launching. Okay, so never attempt to jump into a river until you are sure of its depth. I know that you have created your course now based on all of the videos from module 3, right? Or you've learned how to create your course. Now the next thing is not to just jump into the market and then start selling, whether it's online or offline, whichever way. And that's one thing many people are missing. Seriously, it's one thing many people are missing. If I want to start, a physical business, like with a physical address right now, I won't do it the way most people are doing their business. Never. And let me tell you, within a few months, the business will explode because there is something I know that they don't know. Okay, so now let's come back to our scope for this discussion. Okay, how to leverage the wait list strategy to sell before launching. Okay, so never attempt to jump into a river until you are sure of its depth. Okay, meanwhile, never attempt to test the depth of a river with 2 feet. So the first thing is that you want to be sure of the depth of that river. But trying to test the depth of the river, you don't just jump in with 2 feet. You try it with 1 foot. Okay? And then by the time you are sure of the depth, the next foot can come in and then you can go on and on and on. And that is the focus of this particular module. Trying to show you how to test the waters with 1 foot and then how to move on from there. So most times it is advisable to use a wait list strategy to test run the marketing and sales of your digital product before launching it out fully. Okay, once you have created your online product, don't just start bugging people maybe from your WhatsApp and then say, I created the course, so come and buy and all of that. No. Some people even go as far as posting it, on Facebook, posting it on other social media platforms, especially WhatsApp, because people view status. Unfortunately, they may not buy. I've experienced this before. Okay, yes, and that's what I'm trying to help you overcome. There is a strategy called the wait list strategy that you can actually use to sell your course, of course, maybe a few copies, and then before you launch properly. So this strategy will enable you to figure out how the larger market will likely respond to your product when it is finally launched. Okay, you are trying to test run it. It's more or less like trying to test with a few people, because they will have to give you feedback that, I like the course, it's good. This part we need improvement and all of that. But it's not just about giving it to anybody, and of course it's not free, right? But let me quickly say this. Once you have created your course, please give it to somebody higher than you as far as this whole online selling of course is concerned. Give it to somebody who has gotten results, somebody higher than you to vet it. I'm not saying I'll be able to vet, because a lot of people will bring their courses for me to vet, and I am very busy. I'm a very busy person. Okay, because there are multiple platforms that I'm managing, all right, weekly, day in, day out. But what I'm going to do is the group is going to be open. If it is okay by you, you can just drop maybe one of your videos, just a link to one of your videos, so that we can vet it together as a group. Okay, but if you don't want us to vet it together as a group, you can send it to my DM. But it is not a guarantee that I will always have the time to vet videos for everybody, because it will take a couple of minutes to watch it and then spot some errors, make corrections. But you can drop it in a group, we'll look at it together, and then, because of course there are other experts in the group, all right, that have been groomed to, and then they can also help to make recommendations. But then let's quickly see how to use the waitlist strategy. Number one, create a WhatsApp group and name it appropriately after your product. Create a WhatsApp group and name it appropriately after your product. For instance, when I created my course, the title of the course is Stocks and Shares Investment Masterclass. Now, it's quite long, but then I had to shorten it. Shares Investment Masterclass. I used that name to create a WhatsApp group. Shares Investment Masterclass. Okay, so after this explaining a few things, I'm just going to show you a few of those groups right now. I have a couple of them because one group is feed, another group is feed, and they keep getting filled, and I have multiple of them. So create a WhatsApp group and name it appropriately after your product. Okay, so it is more preferable to use WhatsApp business accounts. Please, if you are going to be having a group, please use WhatsApp business account. Don't use the normal WhatsApp. Okay, because there are many advantages to WhatsApp business account, because I'm going to be explaining them later. When you're going to be doing your Facebook adverts and all of that, it's going to work with your WhatsApp business account. It can't work with the normal WhatsApp. Okay, but then you must know that WhatsApp, a WhatsApp group can take up to 1,024 members at a time. 1,024 members at a time. But please use the business WhatsApp group. All right. Okay, next, number 2, design a beautiful and captivating digital flyer for your product and apply it as your profile picture on the WhatsApp group. Okay, please design a nice flyer. Don't put your face on your WhatsApp group. Please let your WhatsApp group have something that reflects your product, your course. Okay, let it reflect. So design a beautiful and captivating digital flyer. I would not advise you, if you are not a good graphics designer, please pay somebody. There's nothing like I can use Canva. I can use Canva personally, but when it comes to business, I don't design my flyers. I give it to experts. You pay them to do it, because you're going to make money from this thing. Don't say I can use Canva. You go to Canva and you design something that people would not want to relate with. So please, that's point number 2. Now, number 3, create a WhatsApp link with a default message using wa.link. That's the site, wa.link. Create a WhatsApp link with a default message. So a default message is when they click on that your link, it will automatically create a message that they are going to send you. So all they need to do is just send that message. There's a reason why I am saying this, because it will help you automate your system. I want to create a system for you whereby you don't have to stress yourself to make money. You can be sleeping and then people are joining your group, people are buying your courses and all of that. But that's point number 3. And I'm going to be showing you how to do all of that later on. Okay? After now. Okay, so this is number 4. Download WhatsApp autoresponder. Download WhatsApp autoresponder app and program an automatic response that will reply your prospects once they click on your WhatsApp link and send you the default message. Like some persons have, they join my my training groups, and most times once you click on my link, you see a message, a default message like, "Hello Lucky, I am interested in joining the Shares Investment Masterclass." The moment you send it, I am not the one that replies that message, because even at 2 midnight, 3 o'clock in the morning, my data is on and people are still getting messages from me, but I'm asleep, because I already programmed it using that WA link, the default message, and then my autoresponder, my WhatsApp autoresponder works to do that. Okay, especially if you don't know about all of these things before now. Okay, point number 5, draft a persuasive advert write-up to advertise your course pre-launch. It is pre-launch. Okay, draft a persuasive advert write-up, and I'm going to be showing you a few examples of the write-ups I've used to advertise some of my trainings before now, because you need to learn copywriting, and that's another thing entirely. Okay, but I don't want us to talk about too many things in this course so that you are not confused. Okay, but just try to write something. But I'm going to be showing you a few examples that I have used. You can model it, write something very nice, to advertise your course pre-launch. This is pre-launch now. And then number 6, distribute your advert on all social media platforms that you have: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, everywhere. Distribute it. Okay, that is the advert write-up now. Distribute it with a flyer, post it and everything. Then ask friends and family to help you repost and share. Okay, tell them to help you repost on their WhatsApp status. There's usually this small write-up that I create on one page that I just give people, say, please help me to post. The moment they post it on their status, it has your link. That's your link you created before, and then they can now post the flyer. So when people see the beautiful flyer, they open it, the first thing they see is the message. And once they see the message, they see the flyer, they can go back now. It's something they want to learn. They click on it straight. They come to your DM because you already programmed a default message with that link. When they come to your DM, your autoresponder will reply them. And when it replies them, you can reply them with a link to join your group. Okay? And of course, ensure that they save your number. I will explain all of these things when I start showing you the practical step. This is just to explain. Okay? We'll deal with all these things practically, step by step. And of course, don't forget to take advantage of your already existing social media groups and forum. Maybe there are WhatsApp groups that you are part of. Beg the admin, please do not spam. All right, please beg the admin, please, I have something valuable to share. They can say, okay, let me see it first. Maybe your church group, send it to your president. They can view it. So okay, it's nice, post it. You can post it. In fact, it will even be better if the admin helps you to post it, because they trust the person. The person is the owner of the group. So you can beg the person, can you help me post it, or I should post it? In fact, beg the person to help you post it. And once they post it, like that. And I'm going to be showing you an example of things you can write, because it's not just anything you write. You must write in a way that can persuade people, to click on that link. Yes, there are things you can write and they will click, and there are things you write, they will just go past it. That's why you need to learn copywriting. But I'm going to be showing you, I'll teach you minimal copywriting while we start doing the practical aspect. Okay, so number 7, create a powerful VSL. VSL is video sales letter. It's just a video that explains everything about the course. Okay, all right, so it explains everything your course is about, especially the benefits that buyers will enjoy, and then publish it on YouTube. Okay, now if you don't already have a YouTube channel, well, you need to create one. It's very important. I've also attached a video in the bonus section of this course. Okay, there's a video on how to create your YouTube channel, how to upload your videos and all of that. That is another bonus. So this is not a YouTube course, but I'm just attaching it because I just want to help you. I don't want you to start moving left, right, center to put these things together. All right. And then number 8, in as much as VSL is nice, video sales letter, like a pre-recorded video, you just put it there to show people and all of that, I strongly recommend hosting a free training where you will teach the people something about the solution that your course is offering before unveiling your offer for the purchase of your course. Okay, I have something like a masterclass every week, and I have that masterclass minimum 3 times a week. I'll show you the things that I do in my masterclass, how I prepare everything and all of that, and you can also follow suit. Okay, you need to do something like that. You don't just bump into people and say buy. No, you must lead them to a point whereby it will be impossible for them to return. They must buy. Because you have led them to a point whereby if they don't buy this thing now, it will look like there's what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. That fear, there is hardly anybody that comes through my masterclass and they have watched my masterclass on YouTube, whether as a live webinar or a pre-recorded video, that at the end of that master class, they will not buy the course. I believe most people who do not buy, they regret at the end of the day. And some of them come back maybe weeks later, some months later, to say, please, is the offer still available? I say, yes, it's available. Sometimes at the same price, other times price has increased. Well, that's the pain of not taking advantage of an offer immediately. But then they still come back to buy it. Okay, so you need to also do that. So now let's get into the practical properly. Thank you.